how to create GroupMe account. So if you want to create a GroupMe account, then first you need to install the application. So to install, you can open up your Play Store. So check your internet connection and then open up your Play Store, go for the search bar, and here you can search for GroupMe. And once you install the application from here, you can simply tap on open, which will be on the right side. And now you can go for create an account, which is on the bottom. And then you can choose your email or your Google or your Facebook or Microsoft. So I'll be choosing email. And here you need to enter your name. So enter your name and then your email address, and you need to enter your password, or you need to create a password. So make sure to create a strong password. And once you enter your password, tap on create account, which is on the bottom of your screen. And now you need to enter your mobile number. So choose your country code first and then enter your mobile number and tap on text PIN and then tap on text me. And now you will receive a code to that mobile number which you have just entered. So once you receive the code, you can simply enter the code or the PIN, and once you enter the PIN or the code, you will be ready to use your account. Your account will be created. So that's it. That's how you create your account on GroupMe. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.